Drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back.
What are we going to make, Anzila?
Chocolate cake. So we need
1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, quarter cup of oil, any oil you can use, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon coffee powder, quarter cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half cup of hot water and half cup of buttermilk.
let's start.
Save the dry ingredients first. This is sugar. Now I'm gonna add flour.
Let's see.
Now let's mix.
I will mix.
Okay. Let me also mix.
Okay.
Let's add the liquid ingredients. First, vanilla essence. Now egg. And now we are going to have buttermilk. And half glass hot water. And oil. Mix Anzila. Now let's transfer it into the baking pan.
Dada, I'm hungry.
So let's tap it to make the air bubbles go. Now let's bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, preheat your oven for 10 minutes. And now it is baking. My cake is out of the oven. Now let's check if it is cooked or not. So it is well cooked. Anzila, once again insert the toothpick. To check whether the cake is cooked or not, we must insert one toothpick inside, and if it comes clean, that means it is cooked. So let it cool for some time. Don't worry about the crack, it is perfectly cooked.
Wow, so soft.
Right?
I'm hungry.
Okay, let's wait for it to cool. Now let's demold the cake. Now you take it out. So
So
soft.
soft.
So do try this recipe. If you like this video, make sure you do
Like.
share, subscribe, and if you want to see our next videos and get the notifications, don't forget to hit the bell